Hi everyone, I am Rizky Amelia Suryana, NIM 237920200009, presenting my final exam analysis of Williams Shakespeare's Hamlet, specifically to the to be or not to be soliloquy access from myth Shakespeare. Today, I will examine 5 stylistic concept, phonological patterns, syntactic structure, prosody, figurative language, and narrative perspective to uncover the physiological depth of the protagonist. Question. First, phonological patterns. Shakespeare employs assonance with low vowel sound in words like fortune sling and arrow. This repetition of heavy vowel sound creates a somber, melancholic auditory effect that emphasizes the existential weight and the internal suffering experienced by Hamlet. And second, syntactic structures. The text predominantly uses interrogative sentence and pragmatic structure known as caesura. For example, in the opening line, to be or not to be, that is the question. The use of the colon creates a sharp pause, reflecting Hamlet's intellectual hesitation and his unstable mental state when facing the choice between life and the death. And three, prosody analysis, real alone. To be or not to be, that is the question. This line follows limbic pentameter, the dome, but with a feminine ending and extra understress syllable at the end. This slightly disrupts the mathematical pattern evokes Hamlet's restless heartburn and his trouble in the cohesive mind. Figurative language. Question 4. Figurative language. The dominant conceptual metaphor is life is a battle, or more specifically, suffering is a physical attack. The process sling and arrows of outrageous fortune personifies bad luck as an enemy in war. This personification transforms abstract emotional pain into a concrete violent force that Hamlet must endure. Narrative perspective. Question 5. Narrative perspective. Shakespeare utilizes a soliloquy, direct speech with deep internal vocalization. This mode gives the audience direct access to Hamlet's subconscious. It directs tragic intimacy, where the reader or viewer becomes a silent witness to a character move, private, and disparate inner conflict. In conclusion, Shakespeare's stylistic choice, the heavy assonance, the questioning syntax, the disturbed iambic rhythm, and the metaphors of warfare collectively transform an abstract philosophical debate into an intense emotional struggle. This sequence ensures that Hamlet's dilemma remains universally profound. Thank you for attention. Okay, ultimately, the power of this soliloquy lies in its timeless relevance. Hamlet question is not merely Shakespeare's, but humanity about fear, choice, and the burden of consciousness itself. Through language, sound, and structure, Shakespeare allows us to hear a mind thinking, doubting, and suffering in real time. This is why to be or not to be question to resonate across can to raise once again. Thank you for attention.